And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we're going over Sphere Finance. I know a lot of people are going crazy over auto staking compounding projects. Titano started a wave of awesome rewards. Sphere Finance was just released yesterday. This is a time sensitive video and the project looks very promising. So in this video I'm going to give a step-by-step tutorial how to buy Sphere. We'll go over some of their tax structure, the breakdown. We'll take a look at their dashboard, which looks amazing, by the way. We'll take a look at the price, and we'll take a look at their audit. Crypto is risky, but based on their audits, this project doesn't look like a rug pull is very likely. Let's go over the site briefly, and then we'll enter the dashboard. The S&P 500 of crypto with one token get exposure to a diversified portfolio of projects across multiple chains. Powered by Polygon, so this is part of the Polygon network, audited by Certic, and highest KYC by Obsidian. If we go to the Obsidian website, they do a rigorous background check, and their whole team is basically docs. Submit proof of identity for entire core team. This includes government documents for all members that would be released in the event of a rug pull. So if you're trying to rug pull, you're not going to come here to Obsidian and get KYC. A little bit more of investor confidence there. Encourage profit taking. Our dynamic tax system ensures that no one person can cause massive swings in price by dynamically raising the tax when a transaction negatively affects Sphere's liquidity. Let's go over their taxes. You're taxed every time to buy, sell, or transfer your Sphere tokens. The stock taxes are as follows: 13% buy transfer tax, 20 to 25% sell tax. We've added the option of increasing the sell tax to 25%, which will be increased or decreased back to 20 if the community wants it. So that is that potential variable tax. So taxes are a little high, but with these projects, the returns are massive. And it's also for the sustainability of the project. Let's go back to their main site. Liquidity. Sphere strategically buys back its own liquidity, which allows us to collect a yield on our own transactions. Treasury balance 1 million, market cap to be determined, and APY 99.9,000% return. Huge APY there. Auto compounding passively for you. You don't have to do anything but purchase the token. And if we scroll lower, protocol token acquisition. Sphere uses its treasury to buy valuable governance tokens on Polygon network. This generates value for Sphere token holders and grants controlling voting over influential protocols. So they're aiming for the big guns here. It will be interesting to see what type of moves they will do in the future. And here's the roadmap. Liquidity bootstrapping. It already launched. Sphere Games, a deflationary positive sum lottery where no one loses and 10 win every 3 days. So that's coming next. And Q3. Operation Bribe. Sphere will incentivize other protocols to participate in the Sphere Wars. More Thuan. They have their Discord, Twitter, and Medium. I recommend you guys go check out their Discord. They have a big community and they're very active, and you'll see the latest updates there for Sphere. Let's go and enter the dashboard. You connect your wallet, and this is part of the Polygon network. So you will need the Matic token under the Polygon network to be able to buy Sphere. So I'm going to buy $500 worth of Sphere in just a bit. Let's take a look at the price action before I make that purchase. Sphere was launched yesterday and the current price is 0.007626. That's 21.86% up. It looks like a rocket ship here, garnering a lot of attention, and we're seeing it take off. So it's still very early on. There's not a lot of technical analysis or anything to look at other than this is a perfect time to get involved. We've seen what Liberal Finance and Titano and some of these projects have done. They do very well. So this could just be the very, very beginning. So let's go back to the dashboard. Here's where you buy Sphere. And here it shows your position and your daily earnings. So let's buy Sphere here. You click here and it takes you to the swap up here. And I want to buy $500 worth of Sphere. If we pull up CoinGecko, currently Matic is trading at 149, and I want to buy $500 worth. That's 335.57. So I'm going to buy 336, and I'm going to put 336 there. And here it shows auto tax, slippage, 1% is fine. And that's based on the tax that I've read earlier. And here it shows minimum received pre-tax. I'm looking to receive 6.45. So as I was recording this video, I was about to do this purchase and I realized that minimum received said 6.45. I'm not sure if that was a problem with my wallet being connected, so I had to disconnect and reconnect my wallet and it fixed that problem. But just in case, if you're connected in the dashboard and you come in here to purchase, make sure that you see that minimum receive. Make sure that the numbers look pretty good as to where it says how many tokens you're going to receive from to, and then that minimum receive makes sense. So I had to disconnect my wallet and reconnect and do it again, and then it was reflecting numbers that made sense. So always double check your numbers. I'm doing this again. I disconnected my wallet, reconnected, and I'm going to receive 65,181 Sphere tokens. And here is that minimum receive pre-tax. I'm going to receive at least 64,530 Sphere tokens. As you can see, I'm going to buy 65,000 tokens and it says minimum receive 64,000 tokens. So now it makes sense. Previously, it was saying 6.4 tokens or something like that. And it gives you the breakdown here, price impact 0.34. So this looks about right. Just double check the numbers, make sure everything looks good. Okay, let's swap. Let's wait for the gas to re-estimate. I'm not sure. I have to make some adjustments. So I decided to leave this part in the video. I know a lot of people run into some of these problems, and I continuously have problems with Matic. I think Matic is being congested right now on the network, and it's not only for this site, just for different sites. So you have to bump up your gas fees, and MetaMask wallet gives you the option to go to low, medium, and high. And I moved it to high, and then that was able to fix a problem and process the transaction. So this is why I left this piece here. I ran into a lot of problems when I was doing this video, and I normally edit all these things out, but I decided I'm gonna leave it in there because these are some of the nuances and things that can help people when they run into some of these problems. So I'm just gonna bump it up here and put medium, or let's go high, 15 seconds. I'm gonna bump it up a little bit. Let's save this option. I've been having issues with Matic, so it's still a few pennies. It's less than $1, so it's not a big deal. Let's confirm. All right, transaction confirm. All right, that process. Now you won't see the token. You have to add the token. So that was processed. Let's go back up here. You go up here and you add Sphere to your wallet. There we go. Add token. So now let's look at our wallet. And there it is. Let's go to CoinGecko and put in 56,557. So here we are, 56,557. So yeah, it looks about right. I deposited about $500 and it's at $440 after tax. Okay, so that's about a 14% tax there. Let's go back to the app, and then we go to the dashboard. It shows here your position. I'm holding 56,579 Sphere tokens, and my daily earnings is $8.40. That's pretty awesome. That's 1,080 Sphere tokens per day. And here it gives you a timer for your next rebase, and the next reward amount is 17 cents in 30 minutes. And the current market cap of Sphere is $12 million and a daily ROI of 1.91%. Annually, that's 99,900, almost 100,000 there. So now what we can do is just copy our Sphere amount here, right click copy, and we can go to the calculator and enter our Sphere amount here, paste. And then if we go to Sphere price at purchase, you can click your current and current for the future, and it tells you your initial investment for 40. That's your current wealth, Sphere rewards estimated, and potential returns as you move the slider. So in 1 month, it starts projecting your wealth. Potential return, 776. If we go to half a year, I will be up $13,000. And if we go towards the end of the year, That's $439,000. So these are pretty massive numbers there. Do I think that we're going to reach that in a year? That's not very likely, but some of these projects have been showing awesome rewards. And if I could just, lock in some profits half a year there, get some of my money back and let some of it ride, that would be phenomenal. We have been seeing these projects last a few months and a lot of people are making money. And that's how you use this section. The claim section here, this was for the pre-sale. You have the swap here, you can go directly. That's where we bought the token. And here are their documentations. Pretty awesome interface here. Very sleek, very easy to use. We'll do some updates on this. As Sphere continues to invest and roll out new projects, we'll see how this project goes. So that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you guys made it this far, thank you very much. YouTube really likes it when you watch the whole video. I will leave a link under the description of this video so you guys can come in and check out Sphere Finance for yourself. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.